I'm gonna give it a few minutes until people start joining. If not, I'm just gonna go ahead because it's gonna get posted anyways after. So. Just open the box. So this is a female that we ordered from Central NY Dragons. They're really good breeders. They have quality stuff. Been around for a while. So far, I'm really impressed with their packaging. They have the bigger box. As you can see, got their logo on there. Came with a folder. Fancy. This is just the invoice. And then she came with a certificate. What else did she come with? That's pretty cool too. She also came with some like info on feeding. That's pretty cool. And like a coupon. Wow, that's pretty cool. What is this? Another like a code to get discounts. Yeah, these guys are super legit, really great breeders, and I definitely recommend them. They also came with a sticker. Really, really cool. Oh, there's more. Hold on. Another sticker, and then their business cards. Another sticker, and then their business cards. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and then obviously their websites. Pretty cool. And then this is her her certificate. So she is a hypo het trans genetic stripe normal scale citrus. She's a female. She's 85 grams. She's 11 inches. The parents, obviously, and then the date she was hatched 7/26/19. So she's a really, really good size for her age. And let's get started. Okay. Key pack is actually still warm. Came with some bedding, extra protection. They also threw in an ice pack. Still a little cold. It hasn't been too hot in the mornings here. In the afternoon, it's been crazy, but she didn't have that long of a transit. She was put in a bag. She's getting to that size where she's kind of too big for a deli cup, but she's also kind of on the smaller side for bags. But I mean, I understand. And these bags are like really, really nice bags, quality bags. They're from Premium Reptile Bag, 8x12. And there she is. Hey, mamas. She's in shed. Yeah. Look at you. Hey. How you doing? She has all her fingers and toes. She's no nips at all. She's in pretty much full body shed. If you guys can see. Full tail. She's beautiful. So yeah, she is a hypo het trans genetic stripe citrus. She's 85 grams. And she's definitely going to be a feature breeder here for us. Yeah, I'm really happy with it. I can't thank Central NY Dragons enough. They're all their dragons I've seen on their page are quality. I'm gonna go ahead and put her in some water. I know she's been. There you go, get some water. So yeah, I can't thank them enough. They're awesome. Their customer service is great. Their pricings are amazing. Their dragons, as you can see, quality, like no tail nips, whatever. Tail nips do happen, finger nips happen, but you know, if you're really on your dragons and on your babies, I mean, minimal is, you know, whatever. I get it, it happens. Some of our dragons had tail nips. Sometimes you just can't avoid it, regardless of how you separate them, how you feed them. It's just sometimes you're just gonna have that one dragon in each batch, whatever that is a nipper. So, but other than that, she's awesome. I'm really happy with her, and I'll definitely be buying more dragons from them in the future. So before we get out of here, you guys can just take another look at her. She's probably really dark. I'll post more pictures of her when she gets out of shed, but yeah, she's awesome. So appreciate you guys. Thank you.